Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about ChatGPT's brand new feature called ChatGPT Tasks. What are they and how I am using this brand new feature to outsource 5 of my daily tasks to ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT to do all of that for me. All right, so actually, before we jump into it, make sure you like and share so more people can see this video. All right, stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share with you 5 different tasks that I am automating now with this brand new feature. So first of all, you're going to see this option here. By the way, you need to be on the paid ChatGPT plan, ChatGPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. So this is how you can schedule tasks. The other option is you click here and go to task, and this is where you're going to see all of the tasks that you have scheduled. So let's go back and think of these tasks as things you can set reminders. You can have ChatGPT do those. And yes, I'm going to share practical examples with you, and we'll create some tasks together. So let's switch to this. Now I'm going to create this brand new task and say, send me a summary of latest news articles every Tuesday at 7 a.m. I used to do this manually, but guess what? ChatGPT will do that task, do that research, and send it to me. This alone is going to save me probably 2-3 hours every day. Now, once a task is completed, you can click here. You can see the name, instructions. You can see here the schedule that I set. I can change it. Maybe I want it on Sunday. I can do that. Once a task is running, I can pause, delete, and things like that. And also, once you've created a task, you can go back here and go to task. And here you can see the history of the task. By the way, once that task executes, you're going to see, so here's a task that I've done. By the way, this was one time only task. This is going to be a recurring task. So if you click here, here's what the data or what the task is going to look like. It's going to give me summary of AI news. It will send you an email reminder too. So when you click, you'll come here. Here's exactly what I wanted. Articles, summary, links. Article, summary, link. Instead of me doing it manually, ChatGPT will do it every Sunday now and then send me that task after completing it. And again, this one's only one time, but you can see right here, it does not repeat. If I want, I can change it to repeat daily, whatever. So you can edit your tasks once you complete it. All right, let's go back because we'll create some more tasks that I want to show you. One of the things that a lot of people do is gratitude journaling. Guess what? You can get ChatGPT to help you with that. Send me a gratitude journaling prompt every day at 6 a.m. Again, here you go, daily 6 a.m. It is created. So simple and effective. Another really cool thing is I can also, so that's another task that we set up. And let's go back now. Schedule task. Here's another task. Schedule a task to remind me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. to post content on LinkedIn. So I'm telling it what to do and also when to do it. Include a suggestion for creative headline. And now it's going to be scheduled. So neat. Here is another one that I really like. So let's create another. Ask me about my goals for next week every Sunday. This kind of goes into my weekly planning. And let me say, make a task and ask me about my goals. Let's see, because it didn't create a task here. So maybe I didn't use the right language. Oh, it actually already did. So great. So if I go back to the task list, I can see all the tasks. So for some reason, it didn't create the one about my goal. So let me reword that. So I'm just going to send me a reminder and ask me about my goals for next week every Sunday. So let's see if it works like this. Here you go. So I had to add that word, send me the reminder, and that's when it created a task and I can review it. Wow, interesting. But imagine a lot of different tools and apps you used to use for reminders, to-dos, task lists, all gone. You can throw them out of the window because ChatGPT, the new feature tasks, will do everything for you. So ChatGPT schedule task, you will see this option in the drop down here, right here. Use it. And then, by the way, for now, you can create up to 10 tasks. You can have 10 active tasks in the list. So you have 5 now, but you can have up to 10, and then you have to delete some. I'm sure they're gonna improve this product. There's gonna be a lot more bells and whistles, a lot more options. But for now, this is awesome. Any questions? Let me know before you go like and share so more people can see this. And I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.